So anyway, thank you all so very much for coming. I'm delighted that you're here. I know that you're taking time out of a busy work week or your week schedule, and I want to honor that and get going. So just thank you very much. I'm really excited to be here and to tell you a little bit about CARE. Before we talk a little bit more about something serious, I just want to introduce myself and let you know a little bit about me. I'm from Houston, living in Stafford now. Born and raised here, and since I grew up in Houston, I am familiar with this area, and I've worked a lot with helping people in this area. I was very fortunate to grow up in church where we were always in service doing missions or helping other people. So I've always enjoyed helping others. And I pursued a degree in social work. And after my bachelor's in social work, I went on to be a missionary in Costa Rica for 3 months. So I had a wonderful opportunity to live in another country and experience life in a different way, truly, and to see how families live differently than I do. That was great. I came back and got a master's in public health, and then later worked in our county's indigent healthcare system, working with people who did not have needs. They didn't have the necessary means to meet their needs. So many poor, but also mostly uninsured. I worked with family practice and internal medicine doctors and allied professionals in helping to meet the needs of clients and communities. So I have worked 4.5 years in that system, and then I got a master's in social work, and I went on to pursue working more on a management level and worked with a nonprofit, again, help navigating clients to available resources in the community. So I've always been really interested in how to help other people and how other groups and organizations are doing that effectively, and that's kind of what brought me to CARE. There was an event a couple years ago similar to this one in someone's home that I first learned about CARE from. It was a lady from Uganda. She was talking about HIV and AIDS in Africa and Uganda, and particularly orphans. She was talking about the dilemmas that she faced. And then this spring, earlier this year, I had a wonderful experience to hear at the United Way a little bit more about CARE and a conference called an advocacy conference in Washington, D.C. So I was able to take 2 days. Jeff and I made a vacation out of it, but 2 days we went to Washington, D.C. and actually learned about international issues, public policy issues, and foreign affairs that were issues that related to international health and public health and helping people around the world, the most vulnerable people around the world. That was an incredible experience to actually do what our forefathers laid the opportunity before us to be able to do, to really visit with elected officials, to go and talk to them about issues that were important to us. And so that's what got me into this, and I'm excited to tell you all a little bit more about CARE and their work around the world. But first, I wondered if we would go around and just introduce ourselves, and if you would say your name, where you're from, and your interest in being here tonight. Brian?
I can start? Brian Smith. I live here now. I grew up in Dallas. And what were the other things?
What you're interested in.
Oh, well, Christy heard about this from you, and she told me about it, so I was interested in coming and
Cool.
seeing what was going on.
Awesome.
I'm Christy Smith, Brian's wife, and I'm from Virginia. And I've just gotten to know Jenny a little bit better really in the last couple of weeks, and I'm real excited. I've got a degree in international health education, which is similar, not anything close to where Jenny's been and what she's done, but this has been my passion. I love just the idea of helping other cultures, especially in the poverty area with health education. I think it's fascinating. I'm excited.
Thanks. Back out here.
I'm Melissa. I grew up in Connecticut, but I've been here 16 years, I guess. And had met Jenny and knew this was something that she was excited about, and I've heard about it from her, so I wanted to come in and learn more for myself.
I'm Jeff Holzapfel. I'm married to Jenny, and I was introduced just to this idea, I guess, through Jenny, and on my own, just having read and seen enough movies about Africa and just